Wasabi Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Wasabi Wallet for your crypto transactions, this review is for you. I've added links to all the relevant products in the description, so be sure to check those out. Wasabi Wallet is a privacy-focused Bitcoin wallet designed specifically for users who prioritize anonymity and security. Unlike many other wallets, Wasabi Wallet utilizes a technology called CoinJoin, which allows users to mix their transactions with others to obscure the origin and destination of funds. This process is crucial for anyone looking to protect their financial privacy in an increasingly monitored digital landscape. One of the standout features of Wasabi Wallet is its zero-link protocol, which further enhances privacy by ensuring that users' transactions are unlinkable. The wallet operates on a non-custodial basis, meaning that you retain full control over your private keys, eliminating the risk of third-party hacks or breaches that could compromise your assets. Additionally, Wasabi Wallet is open source, allowing the crypto community to continuously audit and improve its security features, ensuring a robust and transparent system. The user interface of Wasabi Wallet is clean and straightforward, though it may be slightly intimidating for beginners. However, if you're someone who values privacy and is willing to invest a little time in learning how to navigate the platform, the benefits far outweigh the learning curve. Wasabi is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux, providing a wide range of accessibility for different users. It's important to note that Wasabi Wallet is designed primarily for Bitcoin users. If you're looking to store other cryptocurrencies, this might not be the wallet for you. However, if Bitcoin is your main concern and privacy is a top priority, Wasabi Wallet offers one of the best solutions on the market. To sum it up, Wasabi Wallet is ideal for privacy-conscious Bitcoin users who are serious about keeping their transactions anonymous. It's not the most beginner-friendly wallet out there, but with a bit of effort, it becomes a powerful tool for those who understand its value. If privacy and security are your main concerns, Wasabi Wallet is worth considering. Remember to check out the links in the description for more details and to download the wallet. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay informed about your crypto security.